Welcome friends, we are here with another story from live action from AHA 2016, and I have with me one master chef who is not only popular in his professional circuit but very popular among the masses. He's all over the place. You go to social media, you go to TV, you go to any media, you will find him. I have with me Chef Sabi. He's popularly known as Sabi.
That is a glowing introduction.
Welcome to the show, Sabi.
A glowing introduction you gave me. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Lovely to be here, and it's been fascinating.
No flattering. Actually, we have shot basically a live kitchen session just before this show, and I can tell you and I can guarantee you, I mean, the moment we will show you those visuals, you can find out yourself how popular he is. Every session that he's doing at AHA 2016 is a mega hit. And I don't want to talk more about it. I want to listen from the guest itself. How's the experience this time with AHA 2016?
Yeah, it's been fascinating. You know, like I was saying, last 4 days has been action-packed.
Okay.
I almost have like a back pain running around in the kitchen, but it's fun because there's so much positive energy. There's so much interest in people. As you already know, that I am hosted by the Canadian Pavilion.
Yeah.
So every ingredient that is coming out of Canada, and Canada is a large province, right?
Yeah.
So there are people from India, immigrants who have settled down in Canada, and so there's a beautiful story, you know, which immigrant has taken what along with them, what are they growing there, that's all now coming back to us. So from fish and seafood, which is of course from the ocean, there are cereals. So interestingly, we have masoor dal, we have chana, and we have yellow peas, which is vatana.
Okay.
So all of this is actually now coming back to us from Canada. And they're like, can you cook something? So I said, look, we've grown up eating dal. Like, how can I? So do you want me to make a dal? No, I'll make something different. So we've made, so the first session I made a hummus with the masoor dal.
Okay.
And they were very excited.
Okay.
So interesting ingredients are coming from Canada. I've been hosted by them. Of course, they have some ingredients which are geographically very from Canada, and no other country has it. Like the maple syrup, canola oil, the maple syrup. No, geographically you can't have it. Like champagne can only be in Champagne in France.
Correct.
We can all have you know, bubblies or sparkling wines, but can't make a champagne. It's the same thing. So those are the two ingredients, which is like my core ingredients.
Okay.
Canola oil is fantastically healthy. It is light. It kind of gels well with any kind of Indian cooking, European cooking, grilling. So I've done grills. I've used them for pancakes and cakes. I've used them for bakes. I've also used them for making my risottos and my rice and my porridge. And then what I've done is I've used a lot of interesting Indian ingredients, like, you know, since we're in Delhi and we are here, India is the biggest story in the world today. So I've used things like ancient Indian grains, like if you use millets, like I've used foxtail millet, I've used kudu millet, I've used barnyard millet, I've used a lot to ramdan or amaranth.
It's a perfect fusion.
It's a fantastic blend. Yes, you're right. So it's a beautiful fusion of whatever is coming from Canada to whatever is already here with us today. I'm trying to showcase all of it together into a nice, interesting platter. So I'm doing 4 sessions of live cooking. And every day I'm talking about a different subject. So one, I'm talking about a natural sweetener. So I'm using maple syrup and doing different recipes. Next one, I'm talking about superfood. So I'm doing flax seeds, which is in abundance from Canada. I'm using chia seeds. I'm using pumpkin seeds. And I'm using, from India, I'm using amaranth or the ramdana. So I'm making a beautiful superfood tart or a superfood bar or like an energy bar, which you can have it as a breakfast cereal. You can send it to your children in a tiffin box. So it's very different perspective. And then suddenly we have pork and salmon. So you can do like a really meat dish, which is like, oh, you know, I want to have a nice hearty meat dish. So you can do a glaze of maple chili on a pork or a nicely grilled salmon on a bed of little greens or salad or something. So it's been fascinating. We've had all kinds of people from, of course, your chefs to your young students, exciting, you know, young students from IHMs and different colleges, housewives, because today we have opened up, you know, to people and public.
That was very exciting actually to see. I mean, housewives taking so much of interest in those live kitchen shows. And I'm interrupting you. I mean, he is very famous among the ladies. So, so that part I just want to add.
Just edit that part.